Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend, for it's our last refrain.
Hello guys, I hope you guys are doing great, and this is another day of cooking. Yeah, today is one of those days where everything is closed, nowhere to go, bad weather, so what else is there to do? So I thought I'd do one more cooking video. And today we're making beef tongue, and more specific, we make beef tongue in Madeira sauce. That's a thing that's kind of big around here. So here are the ingredients for our tongue. And look at this. Here is our beef tongue. It's a big one. It's just over a kilo. I think 1 kilo 300. And what we need for the sauce is butter, flour. Take a look, Madeira wine, mushrooms, tomato paste, and milk. Yeah, the tongue doesn't need much of work actually, because the tongue gets boiled until it's really, really soft. So in this case, the tongue is going to be on the stove for about 2 hours on a medium, heat. So, and yeah, with lots of food, it's the sauce that makes the dish actually. And the sauce is what makes the most and most difficult thing to make, or most work, I would say, not difficult. So yeah, here is our dish for today, and it's going to be beef tongue in Madeira sauce. I hope you guys like it. Here another look at the tongue and our ingredients. And here is a pot with water ready to boil, and the tongue is just gonna get boiled. Here we got started, guys, and the tongue is in the water, and just to make sure, that has to be totally submerged in water. And I have put 3 tablespoons of salt in the water as well. So now we have to let it boil for about 2 hours. And here is our tongue, guys. As you can see, it's boiling slowly, I would say, you know, and this is gonna be for the next 2 hours. In the meanwhile, I would like to talk to you about our main ingredient actually for this dish. And the main ingredient actually is the Madeira wine. The Madeira wine will give that specific taste to the sauce. And although I'm not a fan normally of using wine in dishes, in this case it is completely different. Because the wine is not like something you drink at the table with the food. The wine is more like an aperitif type of wine. A wine that you sip, you know, like a how can I say, like a cocktail basically. And the wine is sweet, and it's not red, it's kind of brownish, and it is really good. Take another look. That's Madeira wine, and here I poured a little bit in a glass, and as you can see, maybe it's kind of brownish, and it is not your regular taste of wine. It's a little bit completely different. So that is our main dish, and I poured this little shot. That's for the cook. That's a taster for the cook, guys. It is really good, seriously really good. And I'm not a fan of wine, honestly. Normally I will almost never drink wine, but this is really, really good. There it is, our main ingredient. So guys, while our tongue is getting ready, we are ready to make the sauce now. And I prepared the pot already a little bit. look at right here. It is, we have butter in there, we have pepper and salt in there, and we're gonna put a big chunk, a big heap, a tablespoon with a big heap of flour in there. So, and this is the start for our sauce. And the sauce that I'm making is, and guys, when our butter is melted, we add milk to make it nice and creamy. And like a fairly thick consistency of the sauce. It's kind of the same type of the same kind of sauce as chicken a la king if you watched my previous video. And we keep on adding milk until we have the right consistency of the sauce. I turn the hood up for a second, and here is our sauce. I don't know if you can see it, guys. It's not too thick, not too thin, somewhere in the middle, and we're ready to add our tomato paste. And I don't know if I'm going to use the whole can, but well, it's only a little can, but, you know. I see right now as I'm going. This should be about the right color, guys. And now it is time to add, look at, 1 shot of the Madeira wine. There. Ooh, the smell that comes off of it is, wow. It smells great. And I have to taste it in a bit. Maybe it needs a little bit more. Who knows? We'll see in a minute. And we're almost ready to add our mushrooms to it, so and guys, our sauce is as good as ready. Take a look at the consistency here, the thickness of the sauce. See? And what I did, I added another shot to the sauce because it was definitely not tasty enough to my liking. So 2 shots of Madeira wine went in there, and now it's time to add the mushrooms. And see, I purposely bought a can of mushrooms because they're nice little round mushrooms that go in there, a whole. And to be honest with you, it's more for the looks than for the taste, because I'm always in favor of using fresh mushrooms. So there you go, and this will do it. And now I have to let it cook for another 2 minutes, And then our sauce should be ready. Let me have a little taste here. See if it tastes good. Oh, that's great, great guys. There you go. Hey guys, here is our tongue. It's ready. It's 2.5 hours later. And our tongue is ready to peel, because that's the next step we have to do. We have to peel the tongue. So let's do that, and then we should be ready to eat. There we go. Here we are. And this is, it cooled off a little bit. So normally it should be okay, or it should be not too hot anymore to peel our tongue. And when the tongue is ready, the skin should come off easily. It's still hot. And there we go. As you can see, it's fairly easy. And once this step is done, now we're ready to cut it up and eat. Let me do this side first. Oh yeah, skin comes off nicely, so that means it is perfectly ready. I have to watch it a bit because it's really hot still. That should do it. The rest we can easily cut off with a knife. And there we go, guys. This is it. Our tongue is ready. Ready to plate right now. And here it is, guys. Take a look. Our tongue is ready to eat and plated. Here it is. There you go, guys. And it is served with potato croquettes. So that's usually how they serve it here. So take another look. You see our mushrooms in there, our sauce. It looks great. And it tastes great. I tried the sauce already. So there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed my cooking show today. And I see you next time, guys. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. And bye-bye.
Close to the sun.